Hello everyone, I'm Chef Alina Z and I'm so excited. I just made the skinny fettuccine Alfredo, low carb, low calorie, super high in taste. Check out this recipe so you can make one for yourself. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Alina Z and we are remaking another decadent dish and keeping the taste. We're making fettuccine Alfredo and this one is actually going to be low carb. I know, it's going to be healthy for you. We are going to need fettuccine made with konjac root. We're going to need some almond milk, a plant-based parmesan, a Romano cheese made from sheep's milk, cashew butter. Actually, it's a butter that tastes like butter, some garlic powder, and some cauliflower, riced cauliflower. Trust me on this one, it's gonna be amazing. So I'll tell you the process and you'll see how it all is going to come together. So we're gonna use this butter made with cashews and coconut instead of using regular butter because it doesn't have cholesterol and it has magnesium, which can help you relax. So you're gonna be super mellow, super chill. And then we're gonna use cauliflower. It's already riced. You can buy it at like Trader Joe's or any other store, so you don't have to do the extra step. And we're going to cook the cauliflower until it actually tastes good. And you know, butter makes everything taste better. And this butter is better and it's delicious. We're gonna let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cauliflower is nice and soft and fragrant. And while it's cooking, I'll tell you why I'm using cauliflower, because you're thinking, Alina, there's no cauliflower in fettuccine Alfredo. I hear you. Usually, fettuccine Alfredo is made with regular butter and cream is just a thicker version of milk if you think about it consistency-wise. We are using plant-based milk, which is pretty thin and low in calories. So to thicken it up, we need something like cauliflower. It doesn't have much taste, but it's going to be our thickening agent. And this way, you can get your kids to eat more vegetables. It's a double whammy. It's like many whammies actually in this recipe. It's pretty amazing. And you can use any butter substitute, or if you want to go with butter, you can go with butter, but it's not going to be as healthy or as low calorie. It's like make it skinny fettuccine. But use any butter substitute that you enjoy, because ultimately you're going to be eating it. But make sure that you are enjoying how you feel after the meal, not just during the meal, because you don't want to sell yourself short, you know, just for feeling good during the experience. We want it all, baby. Okay, so this is nice and fluffy and getting creamy. We are going to add the milk. I'm using almond milk, unsweetened, unflavored, just so that we have the sauce going. I'm going to continue cooking it so it's nice and hot. I've made this recipe before and oh my god, it's gonna knock your socks off. If you're wearing socks, maybe just take the socks off. It's really, really good. What you're looking for is making sure that the cauliflower is nice and hot. It's soft. You want it soft. You don't want that raw cauliflower. It's not gonna be good. Okay, so now we brought this to boil. We are going to use the Romano cheese. Why we're using Romano is because it is made from sheep's milk, and sheep's milk is easier to digest for humans. Again, if you're having problems with digestion, try the enzymes. Bioptimizers makes amazing enzymes, so you feel good after the meal. Okay, we mix the cheese in, then we're gonna mix the Parmigiano, but this is not ordinary Parmigiano. This is vegan, this is plant-based Parmigiano. If you're fully vegan, then omit the sheep's milk and have all of the plant-based Parmigiano. If you are not caring about it, just caring about the calories, then the reason why I'm using this Parmigiano, it's lower in calories than the cow's milk Parmigiano. And if you don't care about any of that, use organic. Always use organic cheese with no hormones added. This is super important. We're gonna use some garlic powder, just a little bit. And the reasons why we want to avoid the hormones is because they make the cows double in size within months. And unless you want to double in size in months, I try to stay with organic cheeses from cows that are grazing on the field, that actually have a good life, that are treated well. Okay, so the sauce is thickening, it's really nice, but it's chunky because we have cauliflower. So I got you covered. We're gonna blend it. We're gonna blend it in our blender. Step away from it so it doesn't splash all over you. That's your big trick of the trade, splashing. Okay. We're gonna blend it so it's nice and creamy. Within 20 seconds, it's done. Now you're wondering, Alina, what about the pasta? Didn't you have to bake or boil the pasta? Didn't you have to do something with the pasta? I gotcha. We are using this fettuccine from konjac root that's already cooked. And this whole thing has only 35 calories. It's amazing. There's no soy in it. It's gonna be great. Oh my God, and the sauce smells amazing. Because we're using the Romano cheese, it's salty, so it has really strong flavor, and that's what you taste when you eat it. So we're going to put the pasta right here, and I know it's cold, but this is scorching hot, so we're gonna mix them together. It's gonna be perfecto. Mamma mia! Mamma mia, this is so good! Just fluff it up a little bit like this. And if you want it thicker, cook it longer. You can add more cheese to make it thicker. You can add less milk if you want it thicker. It's really a customizable dish. And then of course, at the end, we want to sprinkle some Parmigiano. Oh, looks amazing. Okay guys, try it out. Let me know how you like it. So we made this pasta. You know what? I'm gonna use a ladle for this. This is how you eat this pasta because it is so good, guilt-free, and so saucy. It's so good. Let me know how you guys like it and what kind of cheeses you use. It's so good. Mangia. Buon appetito. Oh my God, it's so good.